In this video, I will show you a way of how you can make an Arduino robot. There are different configurations for different purposes. That said, if you want to make a Bluetooth-controlled Arduino car, you will need an Arduino Uno or a Pro Mini, 2 motors and a small caster wheel, a HC06 Bluetooth module to receive information from your phone, a battery, a chassis to put everything onto. A piece of plywood or cardboard works just as well as bought ones. And you can choose between a motor shield or a L293D chip to control the motor direction and speed. In this video, I will use the L293D. This is the overall map of everything that will be going on with the car. Let's start with the phone controller. You use Bluetooth and an app called Arduino Bluetooth Controller, and you connect to your Bluetooth module. You open the controller. Each command, which corresponds to numbers, are sent to the Bluetooth module. The Bluetooth module has 4 pins: VCC, which connects to the 5 volts of the Arduino, ground, which connects to the ground of the Arduino, TX, which means transmit, which connects to the RX, which means receive of the Arduino, and RX, which connects to TX of the Arduino. Remember to switch to. When programming the Arduino, don't forget to unplug these 2 wires because it interferes with the communication with the computer. The commands sent from the phone go through the transmit wire to the receive pin of Arduino. This command is then used in the code to say in which direction to go in. The next part is the L293D. Inside it, it has an H bridge. This latter uses 4 transistors to control the power to the motors. The motor spins relative to the polarity it is put on its terminal. Plus 5 volts might make it turn right, while minus 5 volts will make it turn left. An H bridge looks like this. 2 transistors turn on to make the motor turn a certain direction, and the other 2 transistors turn on to make the motor turn in the other direction. This is the chip and its pins. And that's how you have to connect it to the motors and Arduino. I firstly connected everything on a breadboard for prototyping. I then wrote the program and set it to the Arduino. I tested the Bluetooth commands, which worked. I will be using 12 volts for the motors. The more voltage means more speed. After prototyping, I move on to the soldering all the components more permanently on a perf board. I soldered the female headers for the Arduino Pro Mini, the L293D, the motor outputs and the power for the Arduino, which is 5 volts, and for the motors, which is 12 volts. It was then finished. This board is for another project, but if you want to see a moving car, go see my other video, the FPV Arduino car, where I used a motor shield instead of an L293D. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you next time.